Hello everyone, welcome back to Intercity 125 Trains and Aviation. Today we're at Barry and today's video will include some diversions. So let's get straight into the action. Okay, first train of the day is a service to Barry Island, which is formed of 150-267 if you can see it there. And then from the other way, hopefully we'll have a service from Carmarthen to Manchester Piccadilly. Try and get home. I'll try and get
3 minutes late. Apparently we'll be in by 11:48, but 51 now.
Okay, next train to pass through is a service from Carmarthen to Manchester Piccadilly.
She's late.
Yeah, you don't. It's not late.
Well, it is kind of.
Sure. Well, it's 175, and we'll get it as it comes through. 175004. So that's 175004 on a service from Carmarthen to Manchester Piccadilly. Okay, arriving in now is the 1203 service to Merthyr Tydfil. And then hopefully coming the other way will be a service from Cardiff to Carmarthen. Again from 150-267. Okay, departing now is 150-267 with a 1203 service to Merthyr Tydfil. Okay, about to pass by is a service from Newport to Swansea, the Great Western Railway service from an IET. (800-013). Right, so that's 800-013 and a service to Swansea from Newport. Okay, next train is a service from Swansea to Newport, formed of 800-024. Okay, next train of the day is a service from Fishguard Harbour to Cardiff Central. Formed of 175. Yep, so 175, 113 on a service from Fishguard Harbour to Cardiff Central. Okay, next train is a service from Manchester Piccadilly to Swansea. formed of 175, 115.